Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about a partnership deed. Partnership concern is basically a business organization wherein two or more persons have agreed to contribute the financial resources and managerial skills in order to establish a business enterprise. And further, whatever profits and losses are arising out of the business concern, the partners agree to share it among themselves. The persons who join the partnership concern are called as partners, and the relationship between the partners arises on account of a contract which they enter into for establishing a partnership concern. So therefore, according to the Partnership Act, the relation of the partnership arises from the contract and not from the status of the partners. Further, the contract between the partners may be either in writing or it may be oral, but in practice, a written agreement is made so that a written agreement serves as an evidence to settle disputes which may arise later in the case once the business of a partnership concern is established. So, when a partnership agreement is made in writing, it is called as a partnership deed. The partnership deed comprises of various aspects relating to a partnership concern, like the name of the partnership concern, the business of the partnership concern, further the names and addresses of the partners, whether they are sleeping partners, active partners, or dormant partners, should also be mentioned. Then, if the partnership concern is carried out for a specific duration, like 3 years, 5 years, or till the death of any of the member, then in such cases, such conditions should also be mentioned in the partnership deed. Further, the partnership deed should also give particulars regarding the amount of capital which is to be contributed by each partner, and also among the regarding the profit and loss sharing ratio between the partners should be mentioned. Further, unless the partnership deeds provides for a different profit and loss sharing ratio between the partners, generally it is assumed that the partners in a partnership concern share profits and losses equally. But however, if there is any different way of distribution of profits and losses, like if there is an unequal distribution of profits and losses among the partners, then in such cases, such conditions should also be mentioned in the partnership deed. Further, if the partners have contributed any capital or advanced any loan to a partnership concern over and above their actual capital contribution, in such cases, the partners are also entitled to claim interest on capital on their loans and advances. Further, generally, the rate of interest is at the rate of 6% per annum in the case of loans and advances, which is given by the partners to a partnership concern. However, as per the partnership deed can also alter this rate of interest on the partner's capital. Similarly, if a partner is utilizing the firm's financial resources for their personal use, or if they have made any drawings from the financial resources of the partnership concern, then the partner who has made the drawings is liable to pay interest to the partnership concern. This condition should also be mentioned in the partnership deed. The partnership deed should also give clear disclosures regarding the rights, duties, and liabilities of the partners, so that there is no dispute or conflicts which may arise out of the partner, which may arise among the partners later on when they're carrying out the partnership business. Generally, the partners are not entitled to any remuneration or any salary from the partnership concern. However, in certain cases, if the with the consent of the other partners, a partner if can be given a certain remuneration and salary if they are contributing or putting in extra efforts for the working of the partnership concern. So such disclosure should also be made in the partnership deed. So basically, a partnership deed helps or lays out the terms of contract between the various partners who have agreed to join the partnership concern.